We continue our battle against the coronavirus infodemic, which is a deluge of fake, false, and misleading information. In this episode, we tell you the truth behind some of those viral social media messages and viral social media videos. Exhibit number 1 is this image that claims that COVID-19 victims' bodies are being disposed of into the sea, hence the water is getting contaminated and hence you should not consume seafood. All of this is fake news. The image that is being circulated is a screen grab from a video taken in 2014 that was taken when African migrants' boat had capsized off the Libya coast. These migrants were traveling to Europe and their boat had capsized, and this is a grab taken of the rescue operations. Here, those people in the orange overalls can be seen retrieving bodies of African migrants from the sea. This has got nothing to do with coronavirus, and consumption of seafood is absolutely safe. Exhibit number 2 is this viral WhatsApp message being circulated in Uttar Pradesh that claims that the government here in Uttar Pradesh has said that only hospitals can use air conditioning up till May 15th. This is fake news. There has been no order or advisory as to whether only hospitals can use air conditioning. Residents are permitted to use air conditioning as well. Apart from that, the message also claims that in those areas that are not COVID-19 hotspots and that have not been sealed off, in those areas, people can use their personal vehicles to travel around in their respective areas between 7 a.m. and 1 p.m. This is also fake news. There has been no advisory to this end. You have to stay inside your homes as much as possible unless you're stepping out to avail any essential service, in which case this time limit between 7 a.m. and 1 p.m. is also has not been ordered. It may depend on your respective areas whether or not shops are open between 7 a.m. and 1 p.m. or later. Another claim doing the rounds is that the Reserve Bank of India has suspended the SBI's AEPS. Now, AEPS is the Aadhaar Enabled Payment System. Most people use this Aadhaar Enabled Payment System to withdraw money or make transactions using their unique identification number. This number then authenticates the payments. The news that RBI has suspended the AEPS system for SBI is absolutely fake. No such action has been taken. The claim also says that your money will be frozen if you try to avail of the AEPS system to make payments or make transactions. That is absolutely false. Your money is safe and nothing of this sort will happen if you use the Aadhaar enabled payment system for SBI. Another claim that was being reported by many media houses was that a woman in Uttar Pradesh, Bhadohi, had drowned her 5 children because of shortage of food. Now, the Uttar Pradesh police has said that this is false, that the woman was had an argument with her husband, and over the last 1 year they had several altercations, and which is why she took the extreme step and the extremely tragic step as well. Whatever be her reason, her action cannot be defended. It appears she drowned her children and then herself waded out of the river. The police also claim that the woman is mentally unsound. That's all for today. Let us know if you have any suggestions or any information that you want us to probe into. Thanks for watching.